Tuscany Series windows by Milgard give you the modern elegance of a traditionally styled window with the durability of vinyl. They'll make a difference in how you see the world and how the world sees your home. Tuscany Series vinyl windows come in a variety of operating styles for every application, whether you are building or replacing. Plus, they are custom-made to your home's exact specifications for a perfect fit. Most Tuscany Series windows feature the innovative SmartTouch lock with simple one-touch operation. Tuscany Series goes beyond just windows and offers patio doors that perfectly complement the windows. The Tuscany Series sliding door is our most popular door and features the award-winning SmartTouch handle. We also have beautiful French-style swing doors to match Tuscany windows. Make Tuscany windows and patio doors your own with our 3 standard colors or 8 premium exterior colors. You can also choose decorative glass and grids. Tuscany Series windows come with innovative energy-saving features that are tailored to your region. Plus, you have peace of mind with a full lifetime warranty that includes parts and labor and glass breakage coverage. With traditional styling and endless possibilities, Tuscany Series windows and doors by Milgard make an excellent choice.